Good afternoon, everybody. It's time for another cabin update. As you may know, I live in southeast Ecuador in the Amazon rainforest on the foothills of the Andes at about 850 meters elevation. Very comfortable temperature here. We just finished a little rainstorm that came through, and we're building a cabin here, post and beam construction. As you can see, the roof is all on. The roof is there. We put one little transparent roof sheet panel in the middle so you can see through it. And now we're working on getting the floor joists put in. So these are spaced every 50 centimeters to give support to the floorboards. We get it all the way across. Eventually, hopefully, we'll start putting the floorboards on. So the floorboards, I was storing about 150 boards down by the river, some nice planks made from a wood called Jurapillo, really mature, really high quality boards. I just happened to get really lucky with one wood order that I made, and I decided to keep them for myself and use them for this. They've been drying for about a year, so now they're nice and dry, and just today we sent them off to the carpentry shop to have them planed and shiplaped so that they'd be suitable to install for a floor. So let's see what happens in the coming days. Hopefully in a week we'll be bringing the floorboards up here and maybe starting to install them. We'll see how it goes.